Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Teacher Ampier. My name is Stella Azra Ratati Mama Asha Afif. I am 5 years old. I am from Tadika Integrasi Junior Salifah Jalan Kabul. Today, I would like to present a prayer titled Bella Happy Trees. Oh, wonderful nature. I wonder how you are so beautiful. With green trees and buzzing bees. The grass is so green and everything so clean. The wandering butterfly makes my tongue fly. The waterfalls are so cool. Just like swimming pool. I love nature. There is total insecure. Alhamdulillah. Bye. See you. Sit down. Alhamdulillah.